Hello everyone. So we are discussing some practice questions on soil water relationships. So in this video we'll solve one more practice question. So first read the question. A sample of saturated soil has a water content of 25%. So saturated means S is equal to 1, degree of saturation is equal to 1, and water content he has given, that is 25%, 0.25, and a bulk unit weight of 20 kilonewton per meter cube. So bulk unit weight of 20 kilonewton per meter cube. So what he has asked us to find out, we have to find out, determine the dry density means gamma D, void ratio E value, and specific gravity of solid particles GS value also we have to find out. So this is the first part of the question, and in the second part is also there, that is what would be the bulk unit weight, that means gamma B he has asked. Any condition he has given, what would be the bulk unit weight of the same soil, that means this soil only, at the same void ratio, that means whatever the void ratio we have calculated from here, that we can use here. So E, which is calculated from part 1, and so some more information he has given, but at a degree of saturation of 80%. So we need bulk unit weight at 0.80, that means 80%. But here in the first condition it is at S is equal to 1, that means it is saturated. So and also he has given gamma W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube, 10 kilonewton per meter cube. So with this information, let us solve this question. So we know that gamma sat is equal to GS plus SC into gamma W by 1 plus E. GS plus SC into gamma W by 1 plus E. So we will write gamma sat is equal to GS plus, in place of SC we can write GSW, since E into S is equal to GS into W. Void ratio into degree of saturation is equal to specific gravity into water content divided by 1 plus E. In place of E also what we can write, GS into W by S, but here S is equal to 1 because in the first condition it is a saturated soil. So bulk unit weight he has given, how much he has given, 20 kilonewton per meter cube, and water content 25%. So 20 kilonewton per meter cube he has given. Here I am taking GS as common, GS into 1 plus 0.25, since water content is 25%, into gamma W, that means 10 kilonewton per meter cube he has given, 1 plus GS into water content will be how much, 0.25. So I am taking this part to the left hand side direction. So 1 plus GS into 0.25 is equal to this, how much, 1.25 into 10 divided by 20, 0.625 GS, 0.625 GS. So 1 is equal to GS into 0.625 minus 0.25, that will be coming around 0.375. So 1 divided by 0.37, that is equal to 2.67, 2.666 it is coming. So we are considering GS value as 2.67. So this has been calculated, so now our aim is to calculate gamma d, and then from that we can calculate E value also. So gamma d is equal to gamma b by 1 plus W. Gamma b he has given 20 kilonewton per meter cube, and water content he has given 25%. So 1.25 20 divided by 1.25. So this will be coming around 16 kilonewton per meter cube. 16 kilonewton per meter cube. So gamma d we found out, and GS value is also we found out. So from this E value can be calculated. E is equal to G gamma W by gamma d minus 1. So gamma d we have calculated, that is 2.67 into 10 divided by 16 minus 1. 0.668. That means E value we can take 0.67. So gamma d value 16, E value is 0.67. Now what has been asked in the question in the second part? Calculate bulk unit weight at the same void ratio. That means 0.67 only we can take, but at a degree of saturation of 0.80. Only degree of saturation we can include. Okay, so what is this formula? GS plus SE into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. So we know all the contents, we just need to substitute. G value 2.67 we found out, plus S value 0.80 he has given. So E value 0.67 into gamma W value 10 divided by 1 plus 0.67. 0.80 into 0.67. Okay, plus 2.67 into 10 divided by 1.67. So 19.19. So gamma b is equal to 19.19 kilonewton per meter cube. That means according to the second condition, at the same void ratio which is calculated from the first part, that only we have used in the second part, but at a degree of saturation of 80%. So this will be the gamma b value. So we have calculated gamma d, E, GS and gamma b in the corresponding condition which he has mentioned. So once again I'll check. Yeah, so gamma d is equal to 16 kilonewton per meter cube, E value 0.67, GS value 2.67, gamma d 19.20. So this is all about this sixth practice question. So thanks for watching my video. If you feel the content is useful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.